Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a CV joint on a Nissan Altima. First, gather all your tools, including a jack stands, and a complete socket set. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is securely supported on a level surface. Always wear personal protective equipment, such as sturdy gloves and eye protection, to prevent injuries during the repair process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement. Once the car is safely elevated, begin by loosening the lug nuts and the large axle nut. After removing the wheel, carefully detach the brake caliper and rotor, securing them out of the way without straining the brake line. Next, you'll need to separate the lower control arm and the tie rod end from the steering knuckle. This allows the knuckle to swing freely, providing access to the axle shaft. With the steering knuckle free, you can now carefully pull the old axle shaft directly out of the transmission or transaxle. Be prepared for some transmission fluid to leak out, so have a drain pan ready. Before installing the new CV joint, thoroughly clean all splines and mating surfaces. Then, carefully insert the new CV joint assembly, ensuring it clicks firmly into place within the transmission. This step is crucial for proper function. Now, reassemble all the suspension components you previously detached, ensuring all fasteners are torqued to the manufacturer's specifications. Don't forget to reattach the brake caliper and rotor. If you lost any transmission fluid, top it off to the correct level. Finally, lower the vehicle and take it for a test drive. Listen for any unusual noises and confirm that the steering and handling feel normal. This confirms a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.